Hurricane Fiona unleashed fury on the Dominican Republic after knocking out power across Puerto Rico. The system continues to drop rain on the U.S. territory, with Puerto Rico's governor calling the damage catastrophic. Fiona's floodwaters are wreaking havoc in Puerto Rico, and the damage isn't done yet. More rain is in the forecast, and flash flood warnings are in effect. Puerto Rico's governor says they're seeing unprecedented amounts of water, in some cases more than during Hurricane Maria in 2017. The electrical grid was decimated in that storm, and Fiona knocked out power again.
We have 10 times the meals and water. We also have 3 times the generator support that we had prior to Hurricane Maria.
Meanwhile, residents in the Dominican Republic are picking up the pieces of torn roofs, toppled homes. Fiona made landfall around 3:30 this morning with winds as strong as 85 miles per hour.